I'm Marcia Thomas Yetman. I'm a public health nurse and I have been a public health nurse since 1994. And I am working in the public sector. Since the start of this pandemic, it is now a year, as you are all aware. Today is the anniversary of the identification of the first case in our country. And I think it is really good that we were able to launch our immunization, COVID-19 immunization vaccination program today. It is really very good that we're able to do that. And I got my vaccine this morning. I was the first here to get my vaccine, and I am happy that I got it. I encourage you, everyone, to get their COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 has killed so many people worldwide. We have a number of deaths in Jamaica. I don't want to call you over because I'm so saddened by it. And it is really unfortunate that we have had so many cases, heightened number over the last few days in particular, and we want to ensure that all our population is protected. Of course, I know you would have heard that we're having a tiered approach to vaccination, and everybody will get their turn. So you'll be advising to do it. We have been fighting against COVID for a long time, but then when I think of the benefits, that took precedence in terms of what it's going to do for me and my family and for the other persons that I may come in contact with in terms of protection from COVID-19. Working on my right arm, and I'm trying to find the spots here. Don't know where, but I know it's somewhere here, but it's not tender and it is feeling quite comfortable at this time.
All right.
And so I would encourage persons to sign up and get your vaccine as soon as it's available.